Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Chemistry World by KK. So last class we will discuss introduction of chemical bonding, Lewis structures and octantal. In this class we will discuss types of chemical bond. Okay, so types of chemical bond. The chemical bond are two types, that is strong chemical bond and weak chemical bond. And strong chemical bond again classified four types. So first one, ionic bond, second one, covalent bond, third one, coordinate bond, and the last one, metallic bond. And weak chemical bond is two types, hydrogen bond, second one is van der Waals force. In these five chemical bond, the strongest bond is ionic bond. Okay, strongest interaction, and the weak one is van der Waals force, weakest interaction. So we will see one by one. So first one, ionic bond. So what is ionic bond? Chemical bond which is formed by complete transfer of electron from metal atom to non-metal atom is known as ionic bond. Okay, chemical bond which is formed by complete transfer of electron from metal atom to non-metal atom is known as ionic bond. For example, formation of NaCl. Okay, so Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus. So Na is metal, Cl minus non-metal. So it is a donor or electropositive. It is a acceptor or electronegative. Some important points about ionic bond. So first point, metal atom, ammonium and phosphonium ion containing compounds will contain ionic bond. Okay, ammonium NH4 plus, the structure of phosphonium PH4 plus. Okay, the next point, ionic compounds are insulated at room temperature. The reason is absence of ions. So next, ionic compounds are good conductor of electricity in aqueous solution or solution states or molten phase or fused state. Okay, now we will see an example. In the first example, which of the following ionic compound contain isoelectric ion? So option K2O, Ca2O, TiCl4 and NaCl. So it forms, so K2O, it forms 2K plus O minus 2, that is potassium atomic number 19, So plus 1, that is removal of 1 electron, minus 1. So potassium 18 electrons. So oxygen is same, atomic number 8, remove adding of 2 electrons. Anion means adding of 2 electrons plus 2, that is 10. So in the same process, so Ca2O, it's form Ca plus 2 and O minus 2. So calcium atomic number 20, okay, 20 plus 2 means removal of 2 electron, that means 18. So oxygen 10. So next TiCl4, it's form Ti plus 4 and 4Cl minus. So titanium atomic number 22 plus 4 means removal of 4 electrons, that is 18 electrons. So this chlorine, so the atomic number 17 by adding of 1 electron, 18. The last one NaCl. So sodium, it forms Na plus Cl minus. So sodium 11 plus 1, that means removal of 1 electron, 10. So chlorine 18. So what is the question? Which of the following ionic compound contain isoelectric ions, means isoelectric same. So option 3. The next example, which of the following compound does not contain isoelectric ions? Okay, this does not contain isoelectric ions. The options K2S, CaCl2, NaOH. The same process, it forms 2K plus S2. So potassium atomic number 19. So plus 1, that means removal of 1 electron, 18. So sulfur, the atomic number 16, minus 2, that means adding 2 electrons, 18. So CaCl2 same, Ca plus 2, 2Cl minus, that is 18 and 18. The Na plus H minus. So Na 11 minus 1, 10. And hydrogen 2. So atomic number 1, outermost electron 1. So 1 plus 1, so 2. The answer is NaH. Okay. The next topic, electrovalency. So what is electrovalency? Number of ionic bond formed by any ion is known as its electrovalency. Okay, number of ionic bond formed by any ion is known as its electrovalency. That is, electrovalency is equal to number of ionic bond. Okay, number of ionic bond formed by any ions is equal to magnitude of charge. So number of ionic bond formed by any ions is equal to magnitude of charge, whereas number of ionic bond is equal to magnitude of charge. So if you assume it is equation 1 and it is equation 2, from equation 1 and 2, electrovalency is equal to magnitude of charge. Now electrovalency of anions. So name, formula, electrovalency. Okay, so fluoride 1, chloride 1. So these are the electrovalency of anions. Okay. So on these are electrovalency of cations. Alkyl metal cation 1, alkyl earth metal 2, aluminium 3, cuprous 2, 3, 2 and 4. So these are go through once. The next formula of ionic compounds. So cation plus anion, it forms formula of ionic compounds. So cation plus anion gives rise to formula of ionic compounds. So cation AX plus and anion BY minus. The rules are: the first one, write down the symbol of ion side by side. Okay, side by side, that is A and B. The next, second rule, write down the electron valency on top on them. So electron valency Y. So A X B Y. The next, apply cross rule. Okay, applied cross rule, that is AX BY. Okay, cross rule. The result AY BX. Okay, if you take an example, did you understand? The first example, formula of magnesium sulfate. So magnesium cation and sulfate anion. So magnesium Mg plus 2, sulfate. So follow this rule. Mg2 SO4 2, Mg, so cross 2, same SO4. Okay, if you take another example, the question is, formula of a metal borate is MaBO3, then formula of its azide is, okay, the formula M3BO3, then the formula of its azide is, so the options, M3N2, Mn3, Mn3 taken twice and none. So in this M3BO3, M3BO3, it is 3 plus 3 minus. So it is a cation, it is a anion. So cation electrovalency M plus and anion, so azide M3 minus. Okay, the question is, formula of metal borate is M3BO3, then the formula of its azide. Okay, we find azide Okay, azide electrovalency N3 minus. Okay, azide electrovalency, then M plus N3 minus. The result M N3. So the answer is option second. Okay, so this is the today class. Did you understand the concept? Like, share and subscribe, and if you want any particular topic, please comment me. Thanks for watching.